Hi everyone! In this video, we are breaking down the top web design trends for 2025, when to embrace them, when to skip them, and how to use them like a pro. Plus, stick around for a bonus, a must-have checklist to level up your trend game. Let's get started. As web design keeps evolving, 2025 is shaping up to be all about enhanced user experiences like never before. From interactive, personalized content to bold new visual trends, there is a lot to get excited about. Advanced image filters. Bring your visuals to life with advanced effects like gradients, blurs, grain, and textured overlays. These techniques add depth and personality, making your brand's identity stand out while keeping your design fresh and modern. Perfect for bold, creative projects like fashion brands, agencies, festivals, and entertainment websites. Full-screen headlines. Bold typography and striking visuals that take center stage grab attention in an instant. This approach gets your brand's message across right away, as users form opinions about a website in just 0.05 seconds. It's ideal for companies looking to make a strong first impression, like premium brands, tech startups, event organizers, and more. 3D objects. Three-dimensional elements bring depth and originality to websites, and this trend is still evolving. Today, 3D objects aren't just static. They react to user actions like moving on scroll, following the cursor, or changing on hover. Thanks to AI tools, creating 3D objects is easier than ever. You can generate complex shapes, textures, and animations, opening up tons of possibilities for experimentation for all kinds of projects. Scrollytelling. Scrollytelling combines scrolling with storytelling. As users scroll, they engage with the narrative brought to life by animations and dynamic content. Think of it as a long read turned interactive, providing deep engagement without relying heavily on text. Works great for websites that tell a story and immerse users in the experience, such as educational courses, museums, charity initiatives, creative agencies, etc. Expressive typography. Typography is still a key tool for making a visual statement. Display typefaces and unconventional sizes enhance the emotional impact, while dynamic typography, fonts that seem to move, further highlights a brand's uniqueness. Best suited for creative projects where originality and character matter, like portfolios, festivals, art events, media, fashion or lifestyle brand websites, etc. Custom cursors. Custom cursors add a fun, memorable touch to your website. They can change shape, animate, or showcase branding as users interact, like transforming when you hover or guiding actions with visual cues. It's a small detail that makes a big impact. Perfect for fashion brands, festival events, entertainment sites, educational platforms, product promo pages, personal projects, and portfolios. Handmade design. With the rise of AI-generated content, brands that highlight handmade elements like illustrations, collages, handwritten fonts, and vintage-style photos stand out by adding authenticity and a human touch. In fact, the Adobe Trust Report shows that 72% of visitors say poor personalization lowers their trust in brands. Handmade web design elements are perfect for brands that want to build a genuine emotional connection, such as artisan brands, cafes, eco-projects, and non-profits. Complex geometric shapes. Designers are moving beyond basic rectangles and squares, choosing bold, unique shapes that bring depth and dimension to their designs. By layering backgrounds, blocks, buttons, and text like pieces of a puzzle, they create eye-catching visuals. And when paired with minimalist elements, it keeps the design clean and easy to follow. Best for industries with an established visual language but a need to stand out, like government organizations, health services, IT corporations, scientific projects, etc. Interactive websites. Interactive websites turn passive browsing into engaging experiences. Visitors become active participants, whether it's trying on glasses virtually or exploring 3D planets in a space lecture. Interactivity simplifies complex info and makes brands unforgettable. Perfect for businesses where engagement and personalization are key. Educational platforms, creative agencies, design firms, movie theaters, etc. Functional minimalism. Modern web design is all about minimalism, with clean, purposeful white space, just like in high-end magazines. This style draws attention to what really matters: product photos, brand messages, buttons, and calls to action. It keeps things easy to navigate, cuts out the clutter, and even helps your pages load faster. Great for businesses emphasizing professionalism and premium quality, such as financial and legal services, medical and wellness organizations, etc. So why pay attention to trends at all? At Tilda, we believe trends should be a tool, not the end goal. Design is about expressing ideas and connecting with your audience. When you shape content to fit a trend, instead of using the trend to enhance your content, you might simplify the process, but you risk losing its impact. Trends reflect cultural shifts and audience expectations, but blindly following them isn't the answer, and it can sometimes work against you. Great design always starts with a strong idea, not just a trend. Finally, here's a checklist on how to work with web design trends. Feel free to take a screenshot. Thanks for watching. Follow Tilde on YouTube for more web design content and share your top trends for 2025 in the comments. Bye bye!